In the stillness of the early morning, while the world is still asleep, I find my sanctuary. The dark room wraps around me like a cloak, a space where distractions fade away. With my headphones on, I dive deep into my thoughts, tuning out the noise of the outside world. This is where I become the most dangerous version of myself, quiet, focused, and relentless. Every page I turn, every word I write, every weight I lift is a step toward something greater. While others are lost in their routines, I'm building an empire in silence. It's not about the applause or the recognition. It's about the grind, the commitment to my own evolution. I'm not here to chase comfort. I'm here to chase growth. Every drop of sweat, every late night, every early morning is a testament to my dedication. I embrace the struggle because I know that it's in these moments of solitude that I forge my strength. I'm not waiting for the right moment. I'm creating it. I'm training in the shadows, preparing for the storm that others won't see coming. The world may not notice my efforts now, but that's the beauty of it. I'm crafting my destiny brick by brick in the quiet corners of my life. I choose to rise, to push through the discomfort, to become unstoppable. Each day, I remind myself that true power lies in the choice to evolve, to embrace the grind, and to emerge stronger than before. So while others are distracted, I'm focused. I'm not just working, I'm transforming. I'm not just dreaming, I'm doing. And when the time comes, when the storm finally breaks, I'll be ready. I'll be the force they never saw coming, a testament to the power of working in silence, building something extraordinary from the ground up.